What's up? Today we're going to show you how to make a super easy keto broccoli crack slaw, and all you need is 3 ingredients for it. But before we do that, I just want to let you guys know from now on you're going to be seeing a hashtag for Nanette at the bottom of these videos, and that's for my mom. My mom committed suicide, and the hashtag is going to be dedicated to her, and 1% of the proceeds that this channel makes is going to be donated to some type of mental health charity to benefit anyone that might need help there. So for this keto broccoli crack slaw, all we're going to need is a bag of broccoli slaw, and this has less total carbs than a bag of the tricolored coleslaw that most people use for this recipe. So this is a little bit better there. Then you're only going to need a pack of ground meat of your choice. We're going to be using ground chicken. And then the last ingredient is some G. Hughes sugar-free orange ginger marinade. And this is almost like crack slaw in a bottle if you've ever made it before. Mainly the only difference is this doesn't have like a spicy component. So if you want yours to be spicy, all you need to do is add some sriracha or something else spicy that you want. So we're gonna go over here and cook the rest of it. All right, so the first thing you're gonna need to do is brown your ground meat. So we're gonna get the chicken going. Okay, so once your meat is done cooking, you can choose whether or not you want to drain it or not. We're using chicken, and sometimes it seems like chicken's just a little more watery than like fat. So I drained it. But if I was using ground beef, I probably would have left everything in there just because it's ground beef. Next step we're going to do is add the bag of broccoli slaw to the cooked meat. It's going to seem like a lot, but it'll cook down. And just mix it up a little bit here. We're going to add some sauce in just a second. Alright, so once you've got it mixed up a little bit, we're going to go ahead and add, let's say probably about 5 tablespoons of the sauce. The sauce is 1 gram of carbs per tablespoon. So you can definitely adjust it to however you want. And now we're going to stir it up again. It's starting to smell delicious already. And while you're waiting on that, you can always eat a piece of cheese. Alright, so this has been cooking for about 10 minutes on medium-high. I just tasted it. Seems like it could use a little bit of salt. So I'm going to add some salt. And it should be pretty close to done. I'm probably going to garnish mine with some sriracha and some everything but the bagel seasoning. We'll see what Elizabeth does with hers. Do something like that when it gets close to done. So I just topped it with some sriracha and some everything but the bagel seasoning. And that's what it looks like. And it should be delicious. Alright guys, so that's how you make broccoli crack slaw. And I was trying to say the macros before, but I didn't have the bag in front of me. So this whole bag has 25 total carbs, 10 grams of fiber, so 15 net carbs. And then with the 5 tablespoons of sauce, that would be 20 total carbs. And if you divide it into 4 servings, that would be 5 carbs per serving. And it looks like this again. Smells delicious. And I'm gonna give it a try. That's crack. All right, guys. That's how you make keto Broccoli Crack Slaw.